Go again.
Roll.
Good sprawl. On top.
Hey,
On top. Control.
Hey, shut up.
Nice mount, Hakim.
Control lang.
Side control points. Points, Hakim. Points.
Control lang, take.
Good. Back, Hakim. Nice to.
Take the back, take the back. Control lang, control. Huwag kang madali.
Underhooks, Hakim. Escape from there.
Relax.
Hakim, points always. You can escape that. Fight for those underhooks. Fight for those underhooks. Good, Hakim. Shoulder crunch.
Relax. Kuha sweep. Relax.
Nice, Hakim. Hakim, find a way to escape. Overhooks, underhooks. Good, Hakim.
Good. Work attention.
Underhooks.
Vision hook.
Underhooks. Nice. Beautiful, Hakim.
Good job.
Hakim,
Hold that, Hakim. Hold.
Do what we practice. Nice.
Kuha ng sweep, ha?
Go.
Butterfly, elevator.
Butterfly, Hakim. Nice, Hakim.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Let's go, Hakim. I love you, man.
Relax lang. Hold the position.
Relax.
Hold the position.
Pray with your feet.
Luwagan mo. Pag nandiyan, luwagan mo. Take the back.
Back.
Take the back. Take
Nice.
the back.
Go, Hakim. Back.
Take the back.
Nice. Underhooks.
Relax.
Underhooks.
Hold the position. Hold the position. Hooks in mo yung left leg. Hooks in left leg.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go, Hakim. Body triangle. That's your game, bro.
Relax.
Hakim, That's your game.
Hold the position. Trap the arm. Trap the one arm, ha? Set the trap.
Oi, just to back, Hakim. Get him higher on your back.
Yan.
Hakim, overhooks, underhook side,
Try to get one arm.
Over.
Let's go. Choke.
Go, choke.
Bridge.
Choke it.
Bridge.
Finish it. Let's go, Hakim. That's in. Oh, sorry. Let's go, Hakim. Let's fucking go. Come here. Hakim, come here. I love you, man. All those jokes.
Ayan.
Grip 5.
Very good.
Control. Go to your guard. Stand up. Frame. Listen, go backward or stand up. Good. Control his posture.
Ingat sa straight leg lang, ha? Kuha ang sweep.
Watch out your right leg.
Nice. Good, Andre.
Good.
Good, Andre.
Recover. Good. Control the posture, Andre. Get your overhook.
Parang 5-0.
Ikaw points first, guys.
Control the posture.
3-2 eh.
Family underhook.
Pag may opening sa leg, get a leg.
Good.
One more.
Push.
It's okay. Go. Defense. Inside.
Roll.
Reap.
Rip na yan, ha?
Inside, inside. Fight the hands. Fight the hands. Fight the hands.
Push,
Okay.
push down yung leg. Push down mo yung leg niya.
Yes, fight. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Get the leg. Drag, get the leg. Control the hand, get the leg. Kunin mo yung legs niya.
You're good, you're
Ay,
good.
rip na yan. Rip na yan, Toys.
Ref, rip. Rip.
Don't let him underhook. Don't let him underhook.
Take the leg. Pag umangat, take the leg. Ay, bakit naman sa dulo? Straight mo lang yung legs mo. Straight mo lang. Straight mo lang. Yung hand, yung arm. Straight mo lang. Straight mo lang. Straight mo lang. Yan.
Slightly. That's very strange because the head was been on top for a long time. So you can't see what slag is that?
Yan.
You know what to do, Karim. You know what to do. On you, Karim. On
Take
you.
it, take it. Push the head.
Double unders, Karim. Work, work, work.
Sweep. Left side.
Don't let him pass.
Take the leg, ha? Take the leg.
Nice. Good job, Karim. Let's go.
Very good.
Don't let him get the hooks.
Push, push. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake it.
Take him out.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake. Galing. Oh.
Wrestle up.
Ano? Advantage.
Advantage point.
But apparently, you see. But I won't
Advantage lang.
Advantage
Kaya.
point for
That's good, that's good, that's good. Very good, very good.
Head arm control. Side up. So dapat break up din. Kaya siya nag-ready na sa guard. So sa guard retention din.